I show you now windmill. Okay, this is fan blades, this is motor, this is DC motor. Okay, this is battery of 9 volt 9 volt battery. This is battery clip and this is the switch. These components are needed for the project. Okay, now we can wiring the project and I show you the result. Okay, now we can start with the battery. I can provide the battery here. This is plus, this is minus. Okay, this is 9 volt battery. Okay, first we connect the positive wire to the switch. Okay, this is switch. Then it is go to motor. This is motor, this is plus minus. DC motor we have the polarity. Okay, then it is go to negative point of the battery. The flow of electrons
from positive
from positive to negative terminal. Now it is completed the circuit. Okay, the electrons are passing through like this from positive to negative direction. Okay, this is motor, this is switch and this is the battery. Okay, as per the circuit we can connect the as per the circuit we connect the wires. Okay, see, this is the positive voltage. Here we connect the switch. Okay, I connect the switch now. Okay, and another connector of the switch is connected to the motor. Now it is off, now it is on, now it is off, now it is on. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to your friends and make the children to know the science how it is to be. Okay, thank you. Oh. Okay, now we can connect the switch to the motor. Okay, now as per the circuit all the components are connected and these now get the closed circuit. Okay, see once again, the positive of the battery is connected to the switch, and switch is connected to the motor, and motor wire is connected to the battery minus connection. Okay, let's connect the battery.
ಅದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ
Now we can observe the switch whether it is on off on. Now it is off position. Okay, let's put a battery. Okay, this type of connector is to be used and connect the battery. Okay, now the circuit is
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ
the circuit is in voltage. Okay, we can put the switch to on.
ಹತ್ತಿರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೋಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹತ್ತಿರ ತಗೊಂಡು
Okay, now it is rotating. Okay, we can put the blade of the motor. Okay, okay, we can switch on the motor. Okay, see the blade of the motor blades are now rotating.
ಇನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಡಿ ಹಾಂ 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 ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
Okay,
ಆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ಚು ಆನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತೋರಿಸಿ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗೆ